Hey Cooper Kids, Mrs. Ackrell here. For your Wednesday today, you've been doing line plots and dot plots and frequency tables this week so far. So for today, for Wednesday, I wanted to show you what I meant by completing the dot plot and the frequency table. So for example, this is data that you all shared with me. Clearly this is not the entire sixth grade, but this is the month that many of you were born in. So like March for 3, 11 is November, 10. So we are going to fill in the frequency table and create the dot plot. So in order to do so, we'll start by counting. I'm going to try to highlight things as I go to help. So 3 is the first number here. So I'm going to click on the 3. I know there's one of them. You do not need to fill like I am, but I'm going to make it easier to see. So there's 1 3. There's 2 3s. 1 2. Looks like there are 2 children born in March. So over here with the 3, I'm going to put 2 because there are 2 of you that were born in March. Then I'm going to go to the next number, 11. So let me fill in that 11. I'm filling it in again just to show, so it's visual. So 1 11, 2 11s, 3 11s, and 4 11s, if it lets me click in there. 4. All right, so here over in the 11, I'm going to put a 4 there because there were 4 of them. 4 of you were born in November. Now I'm going to the 10. The 10 is right here. So here, sorry about my daughter in the background. There's 1 10 and 2 10s and 3 10s. So over here in the 10s, I'm going to put a 3. Again, you do not have to do the color. The next piece of data is a 2 for February. So go to that 2. I gotta move that up because it keeps getting in my way. Go to the 2. There's one of them. And oh, here's another one. There's 2 of them. So there's 2 total in February. So here I will put a 2. The next one is July, which I'm noticing there is only one of. So let me come over here to July and mark it with a 1. For January, that's my birthday month, there seems to be just 1. So let me do that. So there's 1. And for December, there appears to be 1 of those also. So down here. For all the other ones that are do not have data, we're just going to put a 0. So no one in April, no one in May, no one in June, no one in August, no one in September. Again, this is based on the data I collected. So now to show this data from the frequency table on this dot plot, I'm going to look. So for over above the number 1, I'm going to put 1 dot. So let me move it on down. You grab it with your mouse, and then you can even use your arrows on your keyboard to move it. That's how I'm doing it. So for February, I need 2 dots. So here's 1. Moving it on down. 1. Oh, that made a big. Try again. There we go. I'll use the little arrows. So there's 1 for the 2, February, and let me grab another one. Try to line them up, but it may not be perfect. Okay, for March, there's also 2 dots. So let me grab another dot, click on it, and use my mouse to bring it down, bring it above the 3 for March. And since there's 2, I need 2 dots. Great, next we're at 4, so no dots for 4, no dots for 5, no dots for 6, but here in July there is 1 dot. So let me click on another dot and bring it down. Right above that 7 for July. There's none for August, none for September, but there are 3 for October. Speed this up a little, let me click on more than 1. So move them down to 10. Awesome. My time is almost up on the clock, but that is what you are going to do. You'll go to each one. You'll notice I'm still not quite done. I still have to put 4 dots above the 11 and 1 dot above the 12. But hopefully that'll help you complete today's work. If you have any questions, again, always comment or reach out to me.